Good day, viewers. Walter here, going to cut a little grass today. I think I'll stop around here and do a little bean tree update. I think I'll get off and walk up and stand beside the bean tree to give you some conception of just how tall that thing is. I really planted it too thick with beans. I should have planted more than one bean tree, but we're going to see what the outcome is. And looking at it through the GoPro, you can't really get a comparison without something to relate to. I'm 6 foot 2 inches tall, a little more than that. I'm gonna walk over there and stand beside it and let you see the difference. I'll lay the camera right here on the seat of the lawnmower. My arms extend a good 2 feet higher than I am tall. That was still quite a ways from the top. I'm definitely going to stand on a step ladder if that thing grows any beans.